Day Girded here. I'm with Ryan. We're at the river. We're in the garage. And it's the 3rd of July, so we're about to shoot some fireworks.
And scare my
It's
dog
nighttime.
to death.
Oh, yeah, Sophie. She's
in the corner
She's
shaking
such
right
a
now.
freaking scaredy cat. She's like scared of everything. Thunder. It's storming right now, so.
And we're about to shoot fireworks right there.
Yeah. So I'm about to take a video of fireworks, and Cole just came in.
Yo.
Wait, yeah, I'm about to take a video of the fireworks so we can. Wait, there's nothing in the cooler.
There's some in this one.
Well, yeah, there's some in that one, but what in the world? I forgot about that.
Yeah.
There's like a random
He
dip.
says, no, the bugs. He has sticky pads for them.
Oh yeah.
So, they get caught and die.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure they're
Okay.
poison pads.
Well, yeah, we'll be shooting some fireworks now. Box thingy.
Again.
It's so blurry. My camera.
Cool. Wow, that went around.
These are like helicopters.
It's weird.
Yeah.
That's not even 100 feet up. Blinded by the light.
Yeah.
Pow! Wow! That's cool. That's a helicopter, Daddy. Where's that?
They look like helicopters.
What's the grand finale?
That's
I
cool.
wonder if the grand finale would be like
A big thing of fireworks tonight.
see anybody.
You kind of can.
Light. I bet you
You can
this
see
is gonna
Papa.
flash.
Papa was in the light. Here we go. You better run.
Big cake. Uncle. Run as fast as you can.
They're walking. It doesn't seem like it's gonna go on soon.
It is.
so- Whoa! This is awesome! Whoa! This is so cool!
That's cool.
Whoa! Whoa!
I bet you I know how it does that. Look at all that.
That was
how that happened.
That's so cool.
I bet you I know how that happens.
How?
It shoots up, shoots out another fuse, shoots out another bunch of other fuses, and it goes.
That's so freaking cool.
Look at all the smoke from it. The one that had the loudest,
The one that we just did.
Not the one we just did.
Oh.
the one that had the louder echo.
I guess. I got that on. I got that. So here we go. That's a big spark. Here it goes. Woo! That was the echo. Oh!
Guys, I'm closing my eyes and I see it. I know, I
Whoa!
can too. It looks cool when you blink.
Apparently, we gotta watch out.
Back it up. Apparently.
Yeah, they're running.
No, they're running.
They're running.
Oh, one of those.
Whoa! That hurt my eyes.
That didn't hurt my eyes though.
Okay. Here we go. Woo! It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. There it went. Oh, Sophie.
Close my eyes. Oh my.
Whoa, Sophie, poor Sophie.
Okay, let's go in a minute and check on her.
We're looking for Sophie.
Where did she go? You guys looking for your stuff?
Yeah, we're looking for Sophie.
Oh, she's in the crate, I thought. Is she not?
Oh, yeah, you can't see her on the video. Hang on.
Come look at this. Come feel her. She's not shaking that
You
much.
can't see her.
Look,
can't
she's not
see
shaking
her.
that much. Not as much as severe thunderstorms.
Okay, well let's go back out. Come on, let's go back out. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Whoa.
One over there. One over there. Yep, there it went. You didn't see them. I didn't know where they were going.
I'm gonna launch off forward.
What are you doing, like Austin?
Right now, ball run. My phone's there.
Austin just lit some. Where did it pop?
On the water. It popped on the water.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't see it. Oh, that's a lot.
Shut off right at. I'm actually.
Got more. there's a pontoon over there.
Oh, come on.
Get back.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's hard for them to come out.
We're trying. Oh, whoa, okay. Okay.
Go.
No.
Oh.
Oh. That echo! The echo!
Close your eyes right now.
Whoa.
Sounds like the bottle or Yeah, that's right.
There you go, there you go. He lit it, he lit it.
There you go, Cole.
Everybody back up.
I need to exercise my thumb joint, apparently.
Yeah, it's hard to do.
Here it goes. Whoa!
It's so loud.
That was cool.
There it goes.
Close your eyes.
Whoa. I'm pretty sure everybody at the near the water can hear us. Those fireworks, those huge ones.
Is that one of them?
We're gonna do more tomorrow.